Hi, this is Priyanka Tiwari. Today we will solve sum of exercise 5.3 of chapter 5 Arithmetic Progression Standard 10th Maths. So let's start with our exercise 5.3. Students, so question number 1, find the sum of the following APs. Yes, the first part of question number 1 is 2, 7, 12, to 10 terms. So here AP is given the sum of the following AP you have to find out. Yes, so here from the following AP, A is equal to 2. Yes, A is our first term and D is our common difference. So D is equal to second term minus first term, which is equal to 7 minus 2, which is equal to 5, and n is given in the question, that is 10. So Sn is equal to, yes, the formula of to find out sum of n terms is Sn is equal to 1 by 2n, in bracket we will write down 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so that is the formula to find out the sum of nth term. Okay, as we have to find out the sum of up to 10 terms, so in place of n we will put 10. Okay, so the ever formula will come after putting the values of a, d and n. Yes, we have to put these values in the given formula. So S10 is equal to 1 by 2, in place of n we will put 10. Yes, then in bracket 2, in place of a we will put 2, plus in place of n we will put 10 minus 1, and in place of d we will put 5. Yes, so 5, it will be then 1 by 2 into 10, when you will simplify, yes, 2 ones are and 2 5s are 10, it will get simplified. So 5 will be there in bracket, 2 2s are 4, plus 10 minus 1 will be 9 into 5. Yes, again 9 5s are 45 and plus 4. Okay, 45 plus 4 will be 49 and it will multiply by 5. So it will be 245. Okay, so I hope the first sum will get clear to you. Now in the similar way we will solve the second part of this question. Yes, in the same way. So the second part is minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 and to 12 terms. Up to 12 terms we have to find out. So here A, which is our first term, is equal to minus 37. D is the common difference. Yes, second term minus first term. Yes, so it will be minus 33 minus of minus 37. Okay, so minus minus will be plus. So minus 33 plus 37. Okay, so it will be 4. Yes, and n is given to us as 12. So again we will apply the same formula. Sn is equal to 1 by 2n, 2a plus n minus 1d. In the same way as we have done in the first part, we will put the values. So S12 is equal to 1 by 2 into 12. S2 multiplied by minus 37 plus 12 minus 1 into 4. Okay, now here 1 by 2 and 12 will get simplified. So 6 will be there. Yes, 2 multiplied by minus 37 will be minus 74 plus 11 into 4, because 12 minus 1 will be 11. So after solving, the bracket will be minus 30. Yes, so minus 30 when multiplied by 6, it will be minus 180. Okay, so I hope question number 1 first and second part will get clear to you. Now come to the third part of question number 1. So here A is equal to 0.6. The value of D will be the second term minus first term, which is equal to 1.7 minus 0.6, which is equal to 1.1, and the value of n is given 100. In the same way we will apply the same formula to find out the sum of 100th term. So in place of n we will put 100, in place of a we will put 0.6, and in place of d we will put 1.1. So S 100 is equal to 1 by 2 into 100. Yes, then in bracket 2 multiply by 0.6. Yes, plus 100 minus 1 multiply by 1.1. We have simply put the values. Okay. So 100 will get simplified by 2. So it will be 50. Yes. 2 multiplied by 0.6 will be 1.2, 100 minus 1 will be 99, and it will get multiplied by 1.1. So in the next step, 50 multiplied by the bracket 1.2 plus 108.9. Yes, we will add up. So it will be 50 into 110.1. So when we will multiply it, it will be 5505. Okay, so we'll come to the fourth part. Yes, so here in the fourth part the question is written. Yes, so if from the above AP we are able to find out the value of A. Yes, A is the first term which was given to us, that is 1 by 15. D will be the second term minus first term, so second term will be 1 by 12. Yes, and the first term is 1 by 15. So 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. Yes, by taking the LCM, yes, you just concentrate how I have done the subtraction of a fraction number. Yes, by taking the LCM, yes, we are able to find out the difference. Yes, we can easily subtract the two fraction number. So it will be 3 upon 12 into 15. So 3 ones are 3 fours are 12. So it will be 1 upon 60, and n is given to us, that is 11. Again we will put the values in the given formula. Yes, in place of n we will put 11, in place of n we will put again 11 because it is given. A 1 by 15, D 1 upon 60. Yes, so here 11 minus 1 will be 10. Okay, so 10 divided by 60, so it will be 1 by 6. Okay, so 11 by 2, then 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6. Again we have to take the LCM of 15 and 6. Yes, because we have to add two fraction number having different denominators. So it will be 11 by 2 multiplied by 9 by 30. Okay, so 9 by 30 will get simplified. So it will be 3 by 10. So 11 3s are 33 and 2 10s are 20. So it will be 33 upon 20. So I hope you have understood the third and the fourth part of question number 1. Question number 2, find the sums given below. Okay, so the first part is 7 plus 10 1 by 2 plus 14 plus ... and plus 84. So A will be 7, D again it will be 10 1 by 2 minus 7. So 10 1 by 2 is in mixed fraction. We will convert the mixed fraction into proper fraction. So it will be 2 10s are 20 plus 1. So it will be 21 by 2 minus 7. Okay, so we will just subtract the two numbers. Yes, two fraction number by taking the LCM. So it will be 21 minus 14 by 2, which is equal to 7 by 2. Yes, so D will be 7 by 2. So as the last term is given to you, yes, the nth term is given to you, that is 84. So it means that an will be given to you, that is 84. So we know the formula to find out the nth term. So it will be an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we know the values of a, we know the values of d. So by the help of this formula we will find out n. Yes, so in place of an we will put 84, which is equal to 7 plus n minus 1 into 7 by 2. Yes, so as 7 is positive, we will take it on the left hand side. So it will be 84 minus 7, which is equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. So 84 minus 7 will be 77, which is equal to 7 by 2. Yes, n minus 1. Yes, we will take 7 by 2 on the left hand side, that will be n minus 1, which is equal to 2 by 7 into 7. We are just solving. So n minus 1 is equal to 2 into 11. Yes, because 7 and 77 will get simplified. So n minus 1 is equal to 22. So n is equal to 22 plus 1. So n is equal to 23. So after finding out the value of n, we can easily find out the sum of nth term. Because we know the values of n now, we have found out the value of n, and in place of n we will put 23. So on the other side, yes, we have found out the value of sum of 23rd term. So S23 will be 1 by 2 into 23, 2 into 7 plus 23 minus 1 into 7 by 2. We have simply put the values. So 23 by 2 inside the bracket, 7 2s are 14, 22 multiplied by 7 by 2. 22 and 2 will get simplified. So in the bracket it will be 14 plus 11 into 7. So 11 into 7 will be 77. So after solving the bracket, it will be 23 into 91. Okay, so when we will solve, multiply, it will be 2093 divided by 2. Okay, so it is S23 we have find it out. I hope you all have understood. Now come to the second part. So it will be 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus dot 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 and plus 10. It means that the value of an is 10, the value of a is 34, the value of d is 32 minus 34, which is equal to minus 2. So again, as we have done in the first part, first of all with the formula of nth term, we will find out the value of n, and then we will put the value of n. Yes, so an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So 10 is equal to 34 plus n minus 1 into 2. Yes, so it will be 34 will take on the left hand side. So it will be 10 minus 34, which is equal to minus 24. So which is equal to minus 2 in bracket n minus 1. Yes, 2 we will take on left hand side, so it will come in the denominator. So 24 by 2, yes, which is equal to minus n minus 1. Minus minus will get cancelled on both the side. Yes, so it will be n is equal to 12 plus 1. So n will be 13. So we will put the values of, yes, that n in that formula. So you can use that formula also. So you can apply that formula also and this formula also. Yes, because as the last term or the nth term is given to you, so you can easily apply this formula. Yes, in the previous part, that is in the first part, yes, I have shown you that you can apply that formula also to find out the answer. The answer will be same. Okay, or you can apply this version to find out the sum of nth term. Okay, by both the method is correct. So Sn is equal to 1 by 2n a plus L means last term or nth term. So simply you can put the values 1 by 2 into 13, and a is 34 and the last term is 10. So by this method your calculation will get easy. So better you apply this formula to find out the sum of nth term if the last term is given to you. I hope you have understood. Now come to the third part, minus 5, yes, then minus 8, minus 11 and minus 230, that is the an is given to you. So a is minus 5, d is second term minus first term. So after solving it will be minus 3 and an will given to you, that is minus 230. So just apply nth term formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, put the values. Then what we have to do, we have to just simplify it, solve to find out the value of n as we have discussed in the first and the second part in the same way. And after finding out the value of n, which is equal to 76, we will apply the formula Sn is equal to 1 by 2n, in bracket it is a plus l. So as the value of n is 76, we will put S76, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 76, and in place of a we will put minus 5, and last term is given to us, that is minus 230. So after solving we will get the answer -8930. So I hope you all have understood the second and the third part well. So students, we will come to the question number 3. Yes, in an AP the first part is given: A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, AN is equal to 50. Find N and Sn. Yes, we have to find out the number of terms and sum of nth term. So as usual, first of all we will apply the formula AN, nth term formula. How to find out nth term? So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN is given to us, that is 50, the value of A is given to us 5, N minus 1, D is given as 3. Okay, so 50 minus 5, which is equal to 3, N minus 1. So 50 minus 5 will be 45, which is equal to 3, N minus 1. 3 will goes on the left hand side, so 45 divided by 3 is equal to N minus 1. So n minus 1 is equal to 15, so n will be 15 plus 1, which is equal to 16. So we have found out the value of n as 16. Now we will put the values of n in the given formula. Sn is equal to 1 by 2n A plus L, which is the last term or nth term. So S16 is equal to 1 by 2 into 16 in bracket 5 plus 50. So 16 and 2 will get simplified, it will be 8, and in bracket 50 plus 5 will be 55. So on multiplying we will get 440. In the same way that we will come to the second part. Here A is given to us as 7, A13 as 35. We have to find D and S13. So here indirectly they have given the value of N as 13. So again we will apply the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So in place of N we will put 13. Yes, so A13 is equal to A plus 13 minus 1 into D. A13 is 35, A7, so it will be 13 minus 1 will be 12, and D is not given. We will find out here. Yes, so 35 minus 7 is equal to 12D, 35 minus 7 will be 28 is equal to 12D. So D is equal to 28 by 12. So on simplifying it will be D is equal to 7 by 3. Okay, so S13 is equal to 1 by 2 into, yes, 13 in bracket A plus A13. Yes, so as the 30th term is given to us, so A13 is given to us as 35, so we will put the value of A13 as 35. 35 plus 7, it will be 42. So 13 by 2 multiplied by 42, so 42 and 2 will get simplified, it will be equal to 13 into 21. So after multiplying it will be 273. So I hope question number 3 first and second part you have understood. So we will move to the next part. Come to the third part. Given A12 is equal to 37, D is equal to 3. Find A and S12. Again we will apply the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So in place of N we will put 12. So A12 is equal to A plus 12 minus 1 into D. So A12 is equal to A plus 11 into D. As A12 value is given to us as 37, we will put 37. 37 is equal to A plus 11 into 3. Okay, 11 into 3 will be 33. So A will be 37 minus 33, which is equal to 4. So we will put this value of A in the given formula. Yes, I have written Sn is equal to 1 by 2n A plus L. Yes, so S12 will be 1 by 2 into 12. In place of A we will put 4. Yes, and here A12 is given to us as 37. Yes, so it will be 37. Yes, in place of L you just write it down A12. Yes, because we have to find out S12. So S12 will be 1 by 2 into 12, 4 plus 37. So on simplifying we will get 6 into 41. So S12 is equal to 246. So I hope you have understood the third part also. Now come to the fourth part. Given A3 is equal to 15, S10 is equal to 100 and 125, find D and A10. So here first of all we will apply AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, so as here a3 is given to you, so we will, in place of n we will put 3. So a3 is equal to a plus 3 minus 1 into d. So a3 is equal to a plus 2d. Okay, a3 will be given to us as 15, which is equal to a plus 2d. So we will rearrange like that, a plus 2d is equal to 15, and we will make it as equation 1 because there are two unknowns are there. Now we will use the formula of Sn also. So Sn will be 1 by 2n, 2a plus n minus 1d. So after putting the values and simplifying it, it will be 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. We will make it as equation 2. Okay, so we have to solve these two equation. So for solving these two equation, what you can do, you first multiply equation 1 by 2, yes, and then what you have to do, equation 2 minus equation 1. Yes, first of all you have to multiply equation 1 by 2. So when you multiply equation 1 by 2, it will be 2a plus 4d, which is equal to 15 2s are 30. Yes, and then what you have to do, equation 2 minus equation 1. So here 2a will get cancelled off. Yes, 9d minus 4d, it will be 5d, which is equal to minus 5. So d will be minus 1. Now what you can do, you can put the value of d in any of the equation, either in equation 1 or equation 2. Yes, so I have put the value of d in equation 1. So it will be a plus 2 minus 1, which is equal to 15. So a will be c. Yes, so as you have to find out the value of d, we have found out the value of d as minus 1. Now we have to find out a10. Yes, so a10 is equal to, we know the formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we will put, in place of n we will put 10. Yes, a is given to us as, we have find it out as 17. Yes, a we have find it out as 17. It is not given, we have find it by putting the value of d in equation 1, and d is, we have find it out as minus 1. So on simplifying we will get a10 is equal to 8. So I hope you have understood question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, first part, second part, third part and fourth part well. So we will cover the next part of question number 3 in the next session. Till then, bye, take care.